Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this singing and vivid avatar.
Sunrise paints the Rockies gold. Another day begins to unfold. My old fool.
So as you can see on the left side will be the picture of a man is sitting in the cafe, and after using the special AI, this picture can be transformed into this vivid and singing avatar, guys. And also this can be your reference if you would like to create the music video using the AI. What platform we will use? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I use here was the Wan 2.2 because it will have me the chance to create the video in the model of Wan 2.2 like this, guys. And you can simply visit this Wan 2.2, and I will also share this website or this link into the description box. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email, guys. And this is the look of the home page. And for example, you can start to put your picture or try this Wan 2.5 now. But don't worry, we can still create the vivid avatar or singing avatar with the Wan 2.2. So you can click explore when you were directed into this generate. So you can go to this explore, and after that you will see the avatar over here. You can simply click try now, and it will direct you into this section. And don't worry, because you can also have the credit that it will be every single day, that you will have 10 credits whenever you logged in into this Wan 2.2. So don't forget to visit this AI every single day to gain more credit, guys. And the next step is I would like to select a picture from my gallery or from my device, for example like this. I will choose this picture, and after that I will start to select the music and make sure that the music or the song still also pronounced in English or speaking in English or spoken in English. I'm sorry. So for example, I will upload the music into this section. And as you can see, you will have the chance to create the vivid avatar when the audio has the length from 1 second until 15 seconds. This is the limit. And here I have 8 seconds of the music or part of the music, and I will click confirm. And kindly wait for this music being uploaded. So the sign would be like this. You can continue trim or replace or delete. It means that the music has already uploaded. And you can continue to click generate. And as you can see, to create this, you will have no consume some credits, or it will reduce any credits over here if you would like to generate it. Yes, this is free, but the consequences may be that the generation process can a bit longer. So you can wait for maybe 10 minutes until 15 minutes, and after that the video will be ready like this, guys. This is the output.
As the Rockies go, another day begins to unfold.
As you can see that this man already being vivid by this Wan 2.2 model. How can we know that this video have the Wan 2.2? because when we play it, as you can see, it is already set into the Wan 2.2 model, guys. And after that, you can simply download it with or without the watermark. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Wan.video to create your music video. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.